Welcome to Transform Well channel, your ultimate destination for health and wellness tips. In today's video, we're going to discuss an important topic: 15 powerful fruits for a failing liver. If you or someone you know is dealing with liver health issues, then you've come to the right place. Stick around as we explore what a failing liver is, how processed food affects it, and most importantly, how these 15 natural fruits can help alleviate liver problems. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand what a failing liver is. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and overall well-being. When the liver is unable to perform its functions effectively, it is considered a failing liver. One of the major factors contributing to this condition is the consumption of processed foods. Processed foods are typically high in unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and artificial additives. These substances put excessive strain on the liver, making it work harder to process and eliminate toxins from the body. Over time, this can lead to liver damage, inflammation, and even liver diseases. But fear not. Nature has provided us with an abundance of fruits that can work wonders for our liver health. Let's explore these powerful fruits and how they can help alleviate liver issues. 1. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon supports liver detoxification and aids in the production of enzymes that assist in liver function. 2. Grapefruit. Packed with antioxidants and natural compounds, grapefruit stimulates the liver's detoxification enzymes and promotes healthy liver function. 3. Blueberries. These tiny berries are loaded with antioxidants that help protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. 4. Avocado. Known for its healthy fats, avocados provide essential nutrients like vitamin E and antioxidants, which promote liver health. 5. Beetroot. High in fiber and antioxidants, beetroot supports liver detoxification and helps reduce inflammation. 6. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea boosts liver function and protects it from damage caused by free radicals. 7. Papaya. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called papain that aids in digestion and supports liver detoxification. 8. Watermelon. Juicy and refreshing, watermelon is not only hydrating, but also helps flush out toxins from the liver. 9. Kiwi. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, kiwi aids in liver detoxification and supports overall liver health. 10. Pomegranate. With its antioxidant content, pomegranate helps protect the liver from damage and promotes detoxification. 11. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit liver health. 12. Apples. High in fiber and antioxidants, apples help regulate cholesterol levels and aid in liver detoxification. 13. Grapes. Loaded with antioxidants and resveratrol, grapes support liver health and protect against liver diseases. 14. Pineapple. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation in the liver. 15. Spinach. Rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, spinach supports liver function and helps eliminate toxins. There you have it, 15 powerful fruits that can make a real difference in improving liver health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can help alleviate liver issues and promote overall well-being. Remember, it's not just about eating these fruits alone, but adopting a balanced and nutritious diet. If you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our future health and wellness content. Also, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones who might benefit from this information. Together, let's transform our well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and transform well.